It is said that eyes can never lie, that when you look into somebody's eyes, you can see their true spirit. There are so many different colours and shades of eyes, but Rh negatives do tend to have lighter eyes in general. They also tend to have mood eyes, changing colour depending on their mood and what they are wearing. I decided to do a survey to find out the most popular eye colour in Rh negatives, and then a survey out in the public where anyone could answer. Because all eye colours are made up from brown and blue, and the colour in between those is green, I decided to make the survey more fair. We should group certain shades into one of these three groups as follows. Brown eyes, amber and black are also included in this group. Green eyes, hazel and olive are also included in this group. Blue eyes, grey and violet are also included in this group. Here are the results within the Rh negative study group. As you can see, in the Rh negative study group, green is the highest, closely followed by blue, and brown is the lowest. This points to the original Rh negatives having blue eyes, which is correct. Brown is the dominant eye colour, which normally overrides any other colour, then green, then blue. Seeing as blue is so high here, it shows that those with Rh negative genes do carry the blue-eyed gene strongly, as all green-eyed people also carry the blue-eyed gene. Here is a chart of the general public results within Europe, Scandinavia, America and Australia. These results are harder to get a good picture from because it isn't a worldwide survey, and seeing as the vast majority of the world have brown eyes, however, this is including areas with the highest number of blue eyes. What is interesting is how people seem to think that green eyes are rare. However, there are a lot of places in the world where people have green eyes, and these areas show where our ancient bloodline families have visited the most, as the genes are still strong there, because as I said, all people with green eyes carry the blue-eyed genes. Obviously, after time, an area left behind will slowly lose all green and blue eyes completely, so long as people are breeding with people with brown eyes, as they are the dominant genes. We all have the same two-colour eye genes. What gives us different eye colours are which variations of these genes we have. One of these genes is called HERC2. It comes in two variations, brown and blue. The other gene, called GEY, also comes in two versions, green and blue. Your eye colour depends on which combination of these versions you have, as shown here. So you can see how difficult it is for someone to have green or blue eyes, especially blue. To have blue eyes, you have to have blue in both sets of genes, which is why it's so extremely rare. Here is a map of all the places in the world where people carry the green-eyed gene. So these are all areas where people with blue eyes have been at some point. Most of the other areas are all brown-eyed areas completely, with only Europe, Scandinavia, America, Russia and Australia having some blue eyes.